Their words are hypnotizing. They sell dreams for $1. Want you to pop your collar, wave your hands and holler till you're so hyped behind the Pied Piper. Ain't got no clue who you follow. Follow. Pay his bills, take this square-shaped pill and swallow. Well, him and me out in the bins ain't gotta worry about ends for the rest of their tomorrows. But yo, the icy rock, we bought. The whip he flipped, Chrissy sipped, we bought into his dream. And it was not supposed to be, but eyes open, he dreamed and recreated a dynasty. But hold up, cut the slides. Hey, we talking about 4 men? Ain't none of them in here today. It's just you and me. So let me bet I'm about to make it known. Eyes open, what do I see? No limits, no box. I see a peculiar generation with the stomp in their walk. They hip-hop and beatbox and bebop and pop, lock and rock and afros, dreadlocks, high tops, low fades and mohawks. But they caught the fire of God and refused to drop it like it's hot. Said they caught the fire of God and refused to drop it like it's hot. Hands were taught to hold this heat. Trained for battle, baby, we ain't fought to see defeat and can't be bought by MTV, BET, CBS, ABC, NBC. Please, your marketing schemes lead to 2 things. You being rich and us being inevitably stripped of our dignity, and how we look enrobed in your garments of slavery when sons were called to be free. Said we are called to be free. And I know you're hating me, hating us, because we still believe and stand for these things like integrity and purity and the sanctity of matrimony, giving yourself to one soul totally and not hopefully. I said we still believe and stand for these things, that our bodies are God's property and to be treated honorably. We're making our money honestly and still profiting. We are those controversial, against the culture, down, conform to no man's standards, out from the steeple type of people. We are not color, race, nation, or tribe. We are one. We raise our voice with one, with each other, and with those now on foreign soil being persecuted because they refuse to recant or recoil their voice they raise for this faith. And we are one with them. God is not done with us. God is not done with them. So from coast to coast, shore to shore, it's time for the people of God to rise. It's time for the people of God to arise. It's time for the voice of the people of God to arise. Decide who you're for. This ain't a game, it's a battle cry, baby. We're ready for war.
Come on, y'all. Oh, yeah. I hear the sound of heaven crying out loud on earth. We have been called to battle. Children of God, come forth. It's time we stand up proud. This army won't back down. With all our might we'll fight for what we know is right. So pick up your swords, put on your armor, trust in the Lord, He will deliver us. Yeah, stand up and lift our voices and sing it again.